I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. You truly deserve it. I just want to remind everyone how glaciers are very important, and due to climate change, they are fastly melting. Have you noticed when you wear black on a sunny day that it's extra hot? The dark shirt is absorbing the sun's heat. Ocean water and land are dark. The heat from the sun is trapped on Earth. Because ice is white or light blue, it helps reflect the sun and shoots the heat back into space. A fun thing you can try is to wear a white shirt out one day and a black on another day, and see which color is cooler and which one is hotter. Okay, now onto our worksheets, Dino. Now that we're ready, let's write our names. I chose red today. What color did you choose? Oh, I love that color. By the way, did you know you're doing an amazing job at writing your name? It's getting better every week. Now that we're done writing our names, let's read the directions. Blue, G, what do you see? I see an orange guppy looking at me. What color do you think we're going to color the G? Let's read. Blue, G, what do you see? What color do we color the G? That's correct. Let's grab our blue crayons and color the blue G. Just remember, dinos, it's okay to color outside the lines. The blue G is coming out amazing. We're almost done. Great job! Look at that blue G. Now what color do we color the guppy? Let's read. I see a orange guppy looking at me. What color do you think the guppy is? I see a orange guppy. That's right, orange. Let's grab our orange crayon. Hey, do you want to hear a joke? Why do fish swim in schools? Because they can't walk. Doesn't orange guppy just look so cute? I'm coloring Mr. Guppy's fins light orange, so this way It looks like it's see-through. While you're coloring the orange guppy, I just want to let you dinos know how happy I am to see you every week. You make me so proud. I wouldn't be able to do these worksheets without you. Great job! Look at the orange guppy. It looks amazing, don't you think? Now that we're done, let's read the fun fact about guppies. Did you know that guppies love tropical waters? Now, isn't that a fun fact? Now that we're done, this is my favorite part. Let's make up a background. I'm going to draw jellyfishes. What are you going to do? Oh, that's such a great idea. Here comes the second jellyfish. Here comes the third jellyfish. Here comes the fourth jellyfish. And last but not least, the fifth jellyfish. Now a sea foam green background. Isn't that a nice color? What did you color your background? Oh, that's a nice color too. Whoa, great job! Look at all those jellyfishes. I can't wait to see your background. I just want to say thank you for joining me for another episode. I can't wait to see you all next week.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!